ITWGSE manufactured the world's first ground power unit in 1946. This 28-volt DC GPU has become known as the JetEx. Today, ITWGSE continues to focus on developing around the customer's needs. Part of the ITW business model, this customer-backed innovation has been a key driver for the improvements made to our GPUs through the years. In response to customer feedback, ITWGSE has redesigned the new 6400 JetEx series with functionality, reliability, and simplicity in mind. Mounted on a towable trailer with fifth-wheel steering, the GPU is easy to maneuver and move into place. The 6400 JetEx series offers variable engine speed based on current limit. This means improved fuel consumption, resulting in cost savings and lower emissions, in addition to reduced engine noise. The 6400 JetEx incorporates the ITWGSE user interface. This icon-based control panel is as user-friendly as a smartphone. Airport staff already familiar with one ITWGSE product can comfortably operate others. The interface also operates in multiple languages that can quickly be selected. The engine, controls, battery, and cables are readily accessible but completely protected under a tough, corrosion-free canopy made of resilient low-density polyethylene. All maintenance points that need to be checked regularly, such as fuel and oil, are easy to access. The entire canopy can be removed by hand in less than 2 minutes. Additional benefits include software updates that can conveniently be done with a USB. The simplicity of the design has reduced the number of overall parts, thereby reducing the number of spares needed. ITWGSE GPUs have remained a critical connection to aircraft for more than 70 years. And with continuous innovation and dedication to customer needs, the 6400 JetEx series will continue to provide exceptional quality and reliability for many years to come.